What if your sunglasses could take photos, record videos, answer calls, translate languages, control music, and even act as an AI voice assistant? It sounds like something from a science fiction movie, but it's already here. Today, we're reviewing the Lenovo AI camera glasses, a pair of multifunction smart glasses that combine wearable technology with everyday convenience. But are these AI glasses actually worth buying in 2026? Let's find out. Hello everyone, welcome back to Caring Guy. If you love smart gadgets, AI technology, drones, cameras, and innovative electronics, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Now, let's put these futuristic smart glasses to the At first glance, the Lenovo AI camera glasses look surprisingly normal. Unlike bulky smart headsets, these resemble stylish everyday glasses while hiding a surprising amount of technology inside. Built into the frame are a camera, microphones, Bluetooth connectivity, touch controls, speakers, and AI-powered smart features. The result is a wearable device designed to let you capture moments and stay connected without constantly reaching for your phone. The biggest attraction is, of course, the built-in camera. According to the manufacturer, these glasses support high-definition photo capture, HD video recording, audio recording, and hands-free recording. The camera's positioned to record from your natural point of view, creating immersive first-person footage that's useful for travel, walking tours, outdoor adventures, cycling, or everyday moments. Keep in mind that real-world image quality will depend on lighting conditions, movement, and camera settings. These aren't just camera glasses. They're designed as a multifunction AI wearable. Features include AI voice assistant, language translation, photo capture, video recording, voice recording, music control, Bluetooth calling, touch controls, notification sounds, object recognition. These features aim to make everyday tasks more convenient while keeping your hands free. Some AI functions may require a companion app, internet connection, or cloud services, depending on your region and software version. Thanks to Bluetooth connectivity, the glasses can pair with compatible smartphones. That means you can answer phone calls, control music playback, use voice commands without taking your phone out of your pocket. For commuting, walking, or exercising, that convenience can be a major advantage. One interesting feature is the Photochromic lens option. These lenses automatically adjust to changing light conditions, becoming darker in bright sunlight and clearer indoors. This makes them suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, while reducing the need to switch between regular glasses and sunglasses. The glasses include a 260 milliamp rechargeable battery. Actual battery life depends on how you use them. Recording video continuously consumes much more power than occasional Bluetooth calls or music control. Charging is done through the included charging cable. The manufacturer recommends fully charging the glasses before first use. Additional features include LED flashlight, companion mobile app, USB charging, multiple microphones, touch-sensitive controls, multi-language support. These extras help make the glasses more versatile for everyday use. Here's what stands out. Stylish wearable design, hands-free photo and video recording, Bluetooth calling, AI voice assistant, translation features, music playback controls, Photochromic lens option, lightweight and portable, great conversation starter. There are also a few things to consider. Some AI features may require the companion app or internet connectivity. Real-world camera quality may differ from promotional images. Battery life varies depending on recording time and feature usage. Not intended to replace a dedicated smartphone or action camera for professional photography. compatibility and AI. These glasses may appeal to content creators, travelers, daily commuters, cyclists, outdoor enthusiasts, students, professionals needing hands-free convenience, and anyone interested in wearable AI technology. The Lenovo AI camera glasses combine several useful features into a single wearable device. Instead of carrying multiple gadgets, you get a camera, Bluetooth headset, voice assistant, music controller, translation tool in one compact package. While they're not a replacement for a professional camera or smartphone, they offer an exciting glimpse into the future of wearable technology. If convenience, hands-free recording, and AI-powered features are what you're looking for, these smart glasses are certainly worth considering. So, what do you think? Would you wear AI smart glasses every day? Or do you still prefer using your smartphone? Tell us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of smart gadgets, drones, AI devices, cameras, and innovative technology. Thanks for watching Caring Guy. See you in the next video.